What's up guys, in today's video we'll be talking about 5 tiny smartphones, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first one is the Melrose 2019. So this one has a 3.4 inch display, so extremely small, and Android 8.1, which is pretty amazing, and it has a fingerprint scanner on it, as well as a 5 megapixel camera, and it also supports 4G, which is pretty crazy. So this is extremely compact, very cool looking. So if you're somebody that likes just very tiny phones, and this is definitely something to look at. Alright, so the next on the list is the SOYES 7S. So this is sort of mimics the iPhone 7. So it's got a really cool design. It's actually at a 2.45 inch display, so it's even smaller than the first one that I showed you. So this does have a quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of storage. You do have a 5 megapixel dual cameras on the back, which is pretty crazy. So I really like the design on this one. It looks really like a little mini iPhone. Next on the list is the Jelly Pro smartphone. So you can pick this up on Amazon for about $125. So this is a really interesting smartphone as well. It kind of reminds me of the old Nexus phone. So this has Android 7.0. It's got 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage. So it is a 2.45 inch display, and it's just an overall really pretty smartphone. Alright, next is the Unihertz Atom smartphone. So this is the world's smallest rugged smartphone, which means you can beat it up, drop it, it'll pretty much survive. So this is actually comes in at a really hefty price of $260. So this has Android 8.1. It has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. It does have a fingerprint scanner and a USB Type-C, which is pretty crazy on this guy. So this is waterproof and dust proof, and it's overall just a really great smartphone. Alright, so last is the Nokia One. This is actually the biggest phone on here with a 4.5 inch display. You do get Android Go. It does come with 8 GB of storage, and you also get 1 GB of RAM. This does have a quad-core processor clocked at 1 GHz. So the specs are pretty decent on this guy. Like I said, this is the biggest phone, which is still pretty small by today's standard. I really like the design. Nokia phones are known for being very sturdy and very efficient phones. It's also got a 5 megapixel rear and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. So overall it's a pretty solid phone. So thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.